Hello dear learners, today we are going to talk about T4, that is thyroxine. As you all know, T4 is very important from the exam point of view. In exam, a complete note for 3 marks or 4 marks is asked on thyroxine. In today's video, we are going to cover the structure of thyroxine, then chemical name of thyroxine. Along with the structure, chemical name, we are going to talk about the properties, stability, storage, uses of thyroxine along with the official preparations and brand names. So coming towards the structure, in structure as you can see, this blue colored functional groups which I have written are this amino group, this R, O, R. So this two rings and in between O resembles like the ether ka structure, that is ROR. This is one phenyl, this is another phenyl, and in between there is oxygen. So it is ether like structure. And if you will compare on the right hand side, this is CH2, CH, COOH, NH2. So this central carbon which is having all four substituents, like one is NH2, this central carbon you can see here the elaborated form. One is hydrogen, one is NH2, one is COOH, and another is carbon. So this is resembling amino acid ka structure, and this is ether ka structure. So this structure, this phenyl ring on which the hydroxy is present at para position, and another phenyl ring at para position, this amino acid kind of structure is present. The multiple amino acids will contribute to protein, so that protein ka amino acid wala structure is there, and 4 iodines are there since it is T4. T4 is also known as thyroxine. So it is first, second, third, fourth. So these are the 4 iodines which are present. This is hydroxy attached to phenyl, O again phenyl, and this is amino acid ka structure, that is central carbon. One substituent is NH2, one is COOH, another one is hydrogen and carbon. So this structure goes like this. If you will observe from left hand side towards right hand side, ether and amino acid, 4 iodines is must, because T4, since this 4 represents the presence of 4 iodines, and the chemical name is tetraiodothyronine. Tetra stands for 4 iodine, 1, 2, 3, 4. Iodo stands for iodine, and thyronine. So when these tyrosyl residues are combined together, this is, and in synthesis we have seen this tyrosyl residues will get combined, conjugation process will occur, and then proteolysis will occur. So this is tetraiodothyronine. Next, coming towards the thyroxine T4, or it is also known as tetraiodothyronine. The properties, it is active, physiologically active form is levothyroxine. T4 ka physiological active form is levothyroxine. So this levothyroxine is available in salt form also, that is, it is also commonly known as levothyroxine sodium. T4 in presence of sodium nitrite in conditions such as hydrochloric acid will turn to yellow color. This thyroxine, it exists in optically active levo form compared to dextro form. Levo form is 1 to 40 times more potent than the dextro form. Then it is coming towards the solubility, it is slightly soluble in presence of alcohol and water. It is soluble in alkali hydroxides such as KOH, NaOH, and alkali carbonates. Then the color is, it is yellow, tasteless and odorless, whereas it is confined to levothyroxine. It is yellow in color, then tasteless and odor. Coming towards the stability and storage. Stability and storage includes the thyroxine T4 is comparatively hygroscopic, that means it absorbs moistures from the air. So it has to be stored into the airtight container which is protected from light. It is stable in air and room temperature, but only for 2 to 3 weeks, and the temperature should not be more than 23 degrees Celsius. And it is stable at cold conditions such as 4 degree, for example 4 degrees Celsius. This lies between 2 to 8. Therefore, it is to be stored in cold conditions. Uses, coming towards the uses, first it is used in hypothyroidism. Since this is the thyroid hormone will be used in the cases of deficiency. So hypothyroidism is nothing but low levels of thyroid hormones. So this T4 is used as a replacement therapy in treatment of hypothyroidism. It is also used in the treatment of goiter caused due to hypothyroidism. Now goiter is basically, the basic reason is deficiency of iodine leads to goiter, and this can be due to either hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism. Goiter is possible in both the cases. The reasons responsible for goiter are generally Graves' disease due to, in case of hyperthyroidism, then Hashimoto's disease in case of hypothyroidism. So these diseases will eventually lead to, now Graves is again an autoimmune disorder, Hashimoto's is again an autoimmune disorder. These diseases can lead to a development of goiter, and since iodine is required for the thyroid hormone production, deficiency of iodine can also lead to goiter. In goiter, as you can see here in the image, this leads to enlarged thyroid glands due to overproduction or underproduction of thyroid hormones. So in condition of goiter also it is used T4. Then again it is used in treatment of obesity, cretinism, myxedema. Now cretinism is nothing but improper growth and mental retardation. As you can see here, cretinism, you can call it as an congenital abnormality, that is, it is present from the birth due to the lack of thyroxine hormone. It can be due to lack of thyroid glands or lack of iodine in mother. It is also possible that both the possibilities are there, and along with it there can be severe mental defects, stunt growth, reduced growth because of the cretinism. So in treatment of cretinism also thyroxine can be used. Myxedema, it is also used in treatment of myxedema, which is nothing but a loss of brain functioning in adults, generally due to decrease in the metabolic processes. The symptoms will occur like, see, myxedema, as you can see, there can be dryness in the hair, lateral eyebrows will get thinner, and edema, that is accumulation of fluid or water in periorbital region. There can be a dull face and dry skin. So these all are the symptoms of myxedema. So due to lack of thyroid hormones, so myxedema can also be treated by T4, that is thyroxine. Then it is also used in post-surgical treatment of thyroid carcinoma. Along with it, it is used in growth and development. It is also responsible for decreasing the serum cholesterol in the blood. It will also stimulate the protein, carbohydrate, fat and vitamin metabolism, which we have already seen in the functions of thyroid hormone. So this is the basic function of thyroid hormone, along with increasing the basal metabolic rate. So in case of myxedema, where there are decreased metabolic processes, it can be used in the treatment of myxedema also. Then it is also used as a diagnostic agent in the test for hyperthyroidism. It also avoids the hypothyroidism during pregnancy. And once the medication or once the thyroid medication started, it can be continued if this conditions like cretinism, myxedema, all these conditions can be treated with thyroxine. Then coming towards the official preparations of thyroxine, official preparations are thyroxine tablet, IP and BP, and Another is thyroxine sodium tablet or thyroxine sodium salt form, which is officially in IP. So it is thyroxine tablet IP and BP, thyroxine sodium BP. Coming towards the brand names, the various brands of thyroxine, n number of brands are available as such, but few of them to enlist here are Thyrox, then Roxine, Eltroxine, then Thyronorm, Thyrosec, Thyrovin, Synox. These are some of the brands available in the market of that of thyroxine. So with this we finish with the T4, that is thyroxine, all inclusive note of thyroxine, which includes thyroxine structure along with the chemical name, properties, stability, storage, uses, official preparations, brand name.